how do I deal with it?
How do you constantly not worry about something?
So what do we call this?
So why are we born?
Is it an issue?
I have a tendency to get attached to people, memories, places, mementos, books especially. And that's creating a lot of clutter in my house and in my mind. What do I do about it?
You're a human being, you have no choice. Attachment is not a law of life. Unfortunately, as human beings, we like to get attached. When you were born, when I was born, when anybody else was born, there was no attachment. Then the first attachment happened with the mother. And as you grew up, the attachments increased. I started the subject with life.
No life.
You have life because there is life force inside you. The day that life force vanishes, I have no life. So let's talk Prana Shakti, life force. That Prana Shakti you are utilizing to fulfill your existing desires. You're going to school for education, you're spending some Prana Shakti. You're eating food, buying food, cooking food, you're spending some Prana Shakti. You're buying clothes, washing clothes, ironing clothes, you're spending some Prana Shakti. So the Prana Shakti given to you by the universe is getting divided in fulfilling your desires.
Or can I call it duties?
Call it by whatever name. Prana Shakti is distributed into various duties. What you call duty is basically your desire, isn't it? You are attached to your desires.
Yes.
And therefore you are fulfilling your desires.
Yes.
For which you are spending your energy. Which energy? Prana energy. Okay. Now, let us say you have 20 desires. So your Prana Shakti got divided by 20. You reduced your desires to 5. Your Prana Shakti got divided by 5. So now you have more Prana Shakti for those remaining 5 desires.
Oh God, this is too heavy.
Wait, you asked about attachment.
Yes.
I am giving you the answer of
I
detachment.
want a practical…
I am giving you the answer of detachment. Why we should detach? Detachment is a law of life.
Detachment is a
You
law.
want to reach that stage, you have to detach. So, I answered you obliquely.
Okay, so in practical way, living in this society, living amongst people, you can't just let go of your relatives, your loved ones.
Attachment and detachment is a law of life.
Okay.
आपका बच्चा पैदा होता है, आपको अटैच होता है, उसकी शादी होती है, वो आपको बोलता है भाग जाओ, अभी मैं मेरे वाइफ से अटैच हूँ, आपसे डिटैच हो गया, आप उस पे रोने का नहीं, वो नियम है.
So at a given moment…
फ्रूट पेड़ पे अच्छा दिखता है, फ्लावर पेड़ पे अच्छा दिखता है, 2 दिन के बाद वो टपक जाता है, डिटैच हो गया. वो टपक गया तो मैंने उठाया, मेरे मंदिर में भगवान की मूर्ति पे चढ़ाया, उधर अटैच हो गया. उधर एक दिन में सूख गया, मैं उधर से उठा के कचरे में डाल दिया, उधर से डिटैच हुआ, कचरे में गया. डिटैचमेंट जब तक नहीं होता है तब तक अटैचमेंट नहीं होता है. अटैचमेंट एंड डिटैचमेंट आर साइड्स ऑफ द सेम कॉइन. एक जगह से डिटैच हो जाओ, दूसरी जगह को अटैच हो जाओ. इफ यू आर नॉट मूविंग विद द टाइम्स, नहीं मुझे पेड़ पे ही लटक के रहना है, तो आप पेड़ पे सड़ोगे. देन यू विल नॉट फाइंड अ प्लेस ऑन द भगवान की मूर्ति. यू विल नॉट प्रोग्रेस.
Wow.
You will not become a कचरे का फूल. That will not become a recycled manure. उससे नया फ्लावर पैदा नहीं होगा, कंपोस्ट खत पैदा नहीं होगा.
There are so many things that needs to seep in. I need to accept the fact that yes, these are the things I don't need it. I've not been using it for such a long time, and I can let go of at least some things. But it'll take little time to let go of my books, which I'm so attached to begin with. But with time, I think I will be able to put in all that I've learned today.